Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, we're going to try to get that fuel line cleaned out from the previous video where I pulled the tank. So I'm going to get, I got some brake cleaner, the air hose. I'm going to try to get that in here to it. I'll try to get it on camera. It's pretty down, it's in there pretty low, so I'm not sure how much y'all will be able to see, but let's get started. Thanks for watching. Is right there. So I got some brake cleaner. I don't know about y'all, but I buy this stuff by the case because I use it all the time. So the plan is I'm gonna put that nozzle in there, spray it, get as much in the line as I can. I know it's gonna run out both ends, but that's okay. Then I'm gonna shove that air nozzle. I'll put a 5/16 fitting on it. Put that air nozzle in the hose and let it rip. And I'm just going to keep holding it down till the air compressor runs out of air, and then I'll let it charge back up, and I'll repeat that a couple times just to make sure we get everything on the lines. I got the camera set up a little bit better now, so we'll try to. It's so tight in here, I can't even get the camera. Let that soak in there for a second. I'm trying not to make too big of a mess out of this brake clean, because man, that stuff will eat your paint off. Alright, I think it's good. Let me get the air hose in here. Alright, that's round one. Let's do it again. Alright, I'm back. I got a different straw. It fits a little bit better. That one come off too. You gotta be kidding me. up underneath it, see if there's anything coming out the other side. Alright, so there's nothing coming out. Smells like brake cleaner. I don't see no junk. So hopefully we got it all. Alright, so I think I'm satisfied with that. We got the fuel lines cleaned up. We'll go ahead and wrap this one up, keep it nice and short. Well, I'll probably make this a series too, because I'm kind of been held up on my gas tank and all that right now. I gotta buy a new one, fuel pump, sanding unit. And I'm gonna go ahead and replace those J-hooks too, because they were a pain to get off. The threads got messed up somehow. So I'll go ahead and replace them too. So right now I'm just waiting on parts. So I'll do the reassembly, and we'll make it a playlist series. So stay tuned, keep an eye out for that one. I appreciate you watching. Please like, subscribe, and remember, restore it, don't crush it.